students, how do you feel today? Choose one smile. I hope that you all feel fine today, so let's start our lesson. Watch the video.
Natural Disasters Vocabulary by ESLKidsWorld.com. An avalanche. An avalanche.
What is today's lesson about? Yes, you are right. The topic of today's lesson, weather. The objectives of the lesson. Today at the lesson, you learn new words, will be able to talk about weather conditions and the natural disasters to practice the modal verb can. Today, you'll evaluate your knowledge by criteria-based assessment. Бүгін балалар сабағымызды критерий арқылы бағалаймыз. Мына критериймен дескриптор және оған қойылатын балмен танысып алыңыздар. What season is it? Is it summer? Yes, it's summer. It's winter. It's spring. It's autumn. What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Yes, it's sunny. It's rainy. It's windy. It's cloudy. It's foggy. It's hot. It's warm. It's cold. Let's learn the names of natural disasters.
Look and listen.
Thunder and lightning. Avalanche. Storm. Flood. Tornado. Hail.
Let's do exercise number 16. Look, choose and write. Суреттерге қарап, сөздерді қойып жаз. Then listen and check. Одан кейін тыңда және тексер.
Thunder and lightning. Thunder and lightning. Avalanche. Avalanche. Storm. Storm. Flood. Flood. Hail. Hail. Tornado. Tornado.
Let's do together exercise number 17. Thinking cap. Match the short dialogues to some of the words. Диалогтарды жаңа сөздермен сәйкестендір. 1. What was that light and noise? Don't worry dear, go back to sleep. Бұл не қылған жарық пен шу? Алаңдама, ұйықтай ғой. What natural disaster is it? Yes, you are right. It's thunder and lightning. 2. We couldn't get out of the house. Why not? There was water everywhere. Біз үйден шыға алмадық. Неге? Барлық жерде су. What is it? It's flat. D. 3. What did you see? I saw a big ball of snow rolling down the mountain. Не көрдім? Таудан домалап келе жатқан қардың үлкен шарын көрдім. It's avalanche. B. 4. And then what happened? Small balls of ice fell from the sky. Содан кейін не болды? Аспаннан мұзды дөңгелектер жауды. It's hail. E. Let's learn the meaning of the modal verb can. We use modal verb can to express someone is able to do something. Біз модальды етістік can'ді бірдеңені істей алу немесе істей алмау туралы айтқанда қолданамыз. For example, Tom can ride a bike. Том велосипед тебе алады. Lily can't ride a bike. Lily велосипед тебе алмайды. We also can use the modal verb can to ask and give permission for something. Біз сондай-ақ модальды етістік can'ді рұқсат сұрағанда немесе рұқсат бергенде қолданамыз. Let's look at study sport. You can see some examples. Can you open the window, please? It's hot in here. Терезені аша аласыз ба? Өтінемін. Мына жер ыстық. Can I use your phone? Мен сіздің телефоныңызды қолдана аламын ба? Егер я болса, yes, you can. Жоқ болса, no, you can't деп жауап береміз.
Little bird, can you clap?
No, I can't. No, I can't. I can't clap.
Little bird, can you fly?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I can fly. Elephant, elephant, can you fly?
No, I can't. I can't fly.
Elephant, elephant, can you stop?
Yes, I can. I can stop.
Exercise number 19. You have to read the sentences and complete. Let's check exercise number 19.
Can I go skiing at the weekend, Dad? No, you can't. There was an avalanche in that area this morning.
Miss, can I leave early? Yes, you can, but only if the rain stops. Mum, can I go out tonight? No, you can't. It's snowing. The roads are dangerous.
Can I stay in the treehouse? No, you can't. There's thunder and lightning outside.
A fire drill. Өртке қарсы жаттығу. What does the teacher have the children do when there is a fire drill? Listen and number. Then say. Өрт сөндіру жаттығулары болған кезде мұғалім балалардың не істегенін қалайды? Тыңдаңыз және нөмірлеңіз. First, let's translate the expressions. Walk to the main door. Негізгі есікке қарай жүру. Wait quietly. Тыныш күту. Walk outside in a line. Сыртқа қарай саппен жүру. Go to the meeting point. Кездесу орнына бару.
The teacher has the children walk to the main door. The teacher has the children wait quietly. The teacher has the children walk outside in a line. The teacher has the children go to the meeting point.
What should we do to protect our nature? Every person has an obligation to protect nature, preserve its wealth and improve the environment. Let's get back to the criteria-based assessment of the lesson. Count your points. Today, you'll evaluate your knowledge by weather conditions. Children, the lesson is over. Goodbye.